Good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? This is the second upload of today. Welcome to my channel, Ballstall Boys Towers. I hope everyone's in a good mood. I hope everyone's in the best health they could possibly be in, and I hope you're all doing well. So today I've had a change of plan. I was going to be getting on and doing my second book because it is really nearly finished, and the further I get to the end of it, the more exciting it's making me feel, because it's been one hell of a journey writing this second book. I'll tell you now, it took me about 1.5 to 2 years to write it. No help from no professional people, no help from anyone, edits, proofreads, or has anything to do with publishing whatsoever. It's all done by myself, guys. So yeah, today I'm going to be doing some DIY on my KX250. I'll spin the camera around and I'll show you exactly where I'm at. Right, so basically I sprayed this cover the other day, one of the engine casing covers, and it's come out so well that it would be immoral not to spray the clutch cover. So this is what I've actually got to do today. This is how you remove a clutch cover on a KX250, guys. I haven't done it yet, but I know how to do it, so I'm just going to show you how to do it. So basically, you've got to undo a 10mm bolt, which is on the bottom of your brake pedal. Release this spring, which is a return spring. It's just underneath there, and that goes up into the housing of the frame. So release that, take that spring off to start off with. Take that 10mm bolt out, and be careful when you take that out, because you have got like spacers what go in each side of it, so yeah, catch them. What I normally do is, if I'm going to take something apart, I'll always put the bolt back through wherever it come off of, just to make sure I don't lose the bolt. That's a tip. So if you take the back brake off, put the bolt through the back brake. So yeah, undo this bolt here, get your Allen key or whatever it takes, whatever spanner it takes to undo this bolt here. Then your back brake comes off, so that's your back brake off. Your kickstart has got to come off. Take your kickstart off, and then, because it's this clutch case in here what's actually got to come off, guys, so yeah, you ain't going to get that off with that on. Another thing what you've got to do is make sure to release the oil from the bottom of this sump, because otherwise when you take that clutch cover off, you're going to get an handful of oil. So if you go underneath your bike, underneath your frame, you'll see a sump nut. Undo that sump nut and release all the engine oil out of it. That saves a lot of time actually, and a lot of mess too. So yeah, two bolts undo there, undo your kickstart, and start undoing the bolts around your clutch case housing. There's only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bolts I think, and then your clutch cover comes off, and then obviously I can rub that down, spray it black like the other side, and that'll be a job done. But what I'll do, guys, is I'll upload the second video once I've actually got it off, got it sprayed and put it back on. So I'll upload that video when it's done, guys. But yeah, it's looking good, isn't it, guys? Have a good day, everyone. Peace.